See, now I just fucked it up. Hey girlies, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, thank you so much for tuning in. Now make sure to hit that subscribe button down below to make sure you stay up to date with my videos. I don't know exactly what eyeshadow color I want to do for you guys today, but I for sure do know we're going to be using these lashes today. I don't really use lashes in my videos, which you guys probably think that sucks. So I'm gonna start trying to use more lashes often. I'm not really a fan of them just because I suck at applying them. I really do. But ever since I started using these right here, which ever since I started, okay, it's my first purchase with Icon. The band on the lashes is actually pretty, like, I'm gonna say not too thin but not too thick, which I think that's what I like. But yes, so I went ahead and I ordered from them. They arrived pretty quick. They were not that long. I did have to cut them a little bit to fit to my eye. Of course, you know you have to do that with certain lashes sometimes. But yeah, other than that, they were really easy to apply. I did not struggle, and of all persons, I think I suck at putting on lashes since I really don't ever wear lashes. I do have a discount code for you guys. I am gonna add their website and my discount code down below in the comment section. So go ahead and check them out. If you are a big lash fan, I do recommend you try them out. If you haven't yet, you guys probably already know about Icon lashes, but for those of you that don't, I do recommend them. Before I forget, the ones that I purchased were trophy wife, because you know your girl is a trophy wife. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this look started. Right, I need to think about the colors that we're gonna do. I do want to go ahead and use this red eyeliner from NYX since I bought it. I have not used it at all, so I want to use it for one of my looks. So I'm thinking yellows with reds. I'm not sure. What do you guys think? Was that a yes? Was that a no? I think you guys said yes. So we're gonna go ahead and I think we're gonna go for a yellow and a red eyeliner look. Yep. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, let's go for the fun part now, which is applying the eyeshadows. Oh, I swear, and then if that red eyeliner doesn't work, because I tried the pink one, that one I did try to wear it, and like it was cracking on my skin. I don't know why that was happening, but it was. Let's just hope that doesn't happen. So to apply the yellow shadow, I'm gonna just go ahead and use a goat brush, and it is the, I never know if it's Crown Pro or Pro Crown, whatever, the C511. I am gonna wet it a little bit just because I want the yellow to be like really pigmented. I went ahead and I grabbed a clean brush. It's another gold brush. This one's from Morphe. Just to clean up the top area so that the yellow won't be too high up. Let's move on to the other eye. I'm gonna grab the same brush I was already using. I'm gonna spray it. The bees are gonna be all after me. I'm hella scared of flies. Of bees. And I hate flies. Let me grab this brush to clean it up. Let's go ahead and clean up our brow bone area. Apply a little bit of highlight and then a red eyeliner. Go ahead and use one of the Vivid Brights from NYX in the color Vivid Fire. You guys, sorry if I'm like looking away for this. I'm gonna be looking into my mirror because as it is, I suck applying eyeliner, and if I'm looking at the camera and applying it, it's gonna be even worse. See, now I just fucked it up. So we have our eyeliner on already. I tried to show you guys how I get it done. So I'm gonna get ready to apply my lashes. I took them out of their case already. And for glue, I'm gonna be using the Duo. Okay, so I already went ahead and I applied the glue on both of my lashes. I'm just letting it sit for a little bit so that it could dry. This is me attempting to apply my lashes on camera for you guys. So I went ahead and thickened the eyeliner a little bit. So now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna move on to face. I went ahead and I used the NYX hydrating primer right now, but prior to this one I used this one right here. This is like one of my favorites from NYX. If you haven't tried it, you need to try it out. I'm gonna go ahead and apply the Professional to like my more pory areas. For foundation today, we're going to go ahead and be mixing these two babies. So I am going to apply this Fenty stick like in certain areas of my face just because I want to use it. At first, I bought it to use it as a foundation, but it's not really a foundation. At least I don't think it is. I think it's like it's supposed to be like a concealer stick, right? Let me go ahead and actually blend this out. Now, let's go ahead and apply the foundation we mixed. Let me get up close so you can see my imperfections. Let's move on to highlighter. My beauty blender a little bit. So now that we went ahead to apply our concealer, let's go ahead and blend it. Okay, so now that we went ahead and blended out our concealer, let's go ahead and set our face so that we can begin contouring. To contour, we're going to be using this baby right here, and we are going to be using the Anastasia palette in light. Now I'm going to attempt to contour my nose. Okay, we don't want to look pale as fuck, so we're going to go ahead and dust it off. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and grab this brush right here. It's a Morphe brush, and it's the Morphe M507. On our waterline, we're going to apply some red. Okay, so now that we're done applying that red below our waterline, we're going to go ahead and dust off the rest of the setting powder. For blush, we're going to use Margin from MAC. Okay guys, so now let's go ahead and apply our highlighter. For highlighter, I'm going to be using the Daisy Danger palette from Morphe. I think I'm going to use these two right here. So I'm going to mix these two right here. Okay, that's enough for highlighter. Okay, you guys, so let's go ahead and set our face real quick. So for lipstick, we're going to be using Lady Be Good from MAC, and it's this one right here. You guys, I am living for this look. Oh, and my like little chonguitos, it makes it even like cuter. Okay girls, so this is it for this look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. It's really simple, well at least that's what I'm hoping for. So yes, like I said, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and make sure to leave your comments down below. If there is any other videos you guys would like to see me do, go ahead and comment them down below. Oh, and then I'll be gladly taking any tips you guys have for me, like on eyeliner and nose contouring, because I suck, y'all. The eyelash thing, I'm kind of getting it already. So, and then with these, it makes it even easier. If you guys are interested in purchasing a pair of these babies right here, just go to the Icon website. I'm going to go ahead and try to link it down below in the description. I'm also going to include my discount code for you guys so you can get discounts on your order. I mean, who doesn't like discounts? Once again, thank you so much for joining me. I will also be including my social medias in the description box down below. Love you guys and thank you so much for watching.